It's time to make some soup, and it's look in the fridge time. See what we've got. As you can see, there's a whole load of stuff in here. Bit of pepper, some salt, a Maggi stock cube. For soups, they are really brilliant. Dried basil, dried oregano, and the magic Aldi £30 soup maker. Can't beat it. That's with this curly pail. A good handful is usually enough. Now there's a limit on the machine, which is here, and you should not fill it above there, but everything in there has got lots of air in it, so I'm not too bothered about that. And I'm just going to get my favourite Maggi stock cube. I do like the Maggi Veggie stock cubes. They are really good, and they don't even sponsor me. A little bit of oregano, and here I've got some last remnants of a little bit of homemade pesto, so that'll give it probably all the basil that it needs. So just squeeze that in there. A little bit of black pepper just to add a little bit more to the spice. Not too much salt, because the stock cube tends to already have a salty tang to it. Okay. And then some water. Fill it up to more or less the line here. Pop the lid on, check that everything's sound. On at the wall. Why does everything beep nowadays? It is really annoying. Listen to this one again. And again when I start it. I always think the soup looks quite attractive in layers like that. Now it's Croutons time. A little bit of olive oil in a frying pan. Slice of wholemeal, quite thick. chop this up. We'll put a little bit of salt and pepper on it first. There you go, just a drop. Nice and crisp. I don't know if that sound is recorded. Lots of lovely breadcrumbs left over. Summoned by the beeps. Time to turn it off. That's 20 minutes. The soup's cooked, the croutons are done, and I'm just about to serve it. And we'll take the lid off without getting too much steam. Give it a bit of a stir. You can see there's plenty of body in there. So we've got lovely looking soup, and over there the croutons and the yoghurt. And what we're going to do now is just add the finishing touch, a little bit of yoghurt. Don't forget we've already got the chilli in there, so the yoghurt will be a nice accompaniment to that.